Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Darul Arqam School at Beria campus online classes for the new session. This is the video for class 6 science. We have already started a chapter forms of energy from our science book, that is unit 10. What we have learned about it, we have learned about different forms of energy. That energy is basically divided into two, potential and kinetic, and further it is divided into 8 categories. For example, magnetic energy, electric energy, chemical and thermal energy, potential kinetic, nuclear and light energy. Potential energy means the stored energy. It has 4 branches: gravitational, elastic, chemical and nuclear. Kinetic energy is an energy which is taken from a stored and then possessed in a moving object. So it is energy due to motion. It has 4 categories: light energy, heat, sound and electrical energy. Today we are going to do some work on our notebooks. So open your notebooks. As you have already prepared a title page for this lesson, now on the next page, write down the heading of short question answer on the top and put on the date on your page on the day when you are watching it. Tick the box from CW and open page number 102 in your books, because we are going to copy down the question from book. Our question number 1 is: a child is swinging on a swing. Which form of energy is present in his body? So you have to answer it by yourself, but listen carefully. I am going to explain you all the answers. If you listen the video carefully, you can easily answer the question. As you can see in a question, they are saying a child is swinging on a swing. When anyone swing on a swing, it means the energy stored in a swing and the body of a human is now in motion. And we have learned that when an object is moving, it possesses energy, and this energy due to motion is called kinetic. So actually the child is applying the kinetic energy to swing on a swing. Okay. Now question number 2 from book is: give 2 examples of energy conversion from daily life. What we have learned about conversion of energy? We have learned that when the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, that is conversion of energy. For example, if you have done an iron on your clothes, have you ever pressed your clothes by yourself? When you press your clothes, actually you are converting the electrical energy into heat energy. The energy supplied by the wire is an electrical energy, and when you are pressing your clothes, you are converting it into heat energy. The other example of it can be radio. By switching on the radio, TV or computer also, you can convert the electric energy into heat energy or light energy. Your drill machine can change the electric energy into sound and heat energy. Question number 3 is: what do energy converters do? What is the function of the energy converter? What are energy converter? Let's have a look at it. A vast number of devices and systems have been developed to use different forms of energy. Devices that convert one form of energy into another are called energy converters. So actually energy converters are the devices which can convert energy into something else. Got it, beta? Next question is differentiate between kinetic and potential energy. So what is the difference between them? A potential energy is a stored energy when a body is in rest. But kinetic energy is an energy due to motion. So it means when we are still in some position, that is called potential energy. But when we start utilizing that energy, it becomes kinetic. What is the other difference between them? The other difference between them is potential energy also has gravitational energy. What is gravitational energy? Gravitational energy is stored in an object due to its height, while in kinetic energy it doesn't contain any gravitational energy. It has light energy from sun but doesn't concern with the gravitation of earth. Okay? Question number 5. What do you know about heat energy? What is heat energy? We have learned that the energy produced by movement of particles within a substance is called heat energy. On heating, particles move at a faster speed. Due to this, heat can move from one place to another. If you ever have used the microwave, when you switch it on, the heat inside that microwave can produce some movement in particles of that food, and when the particles of that food move faster, it makes it more hot and it can be cooked quickly. Okay, so you have to answer the questions within 4 to 5 lines because these are the short question answers. So here comes your homework. You have to make a colorful title page of the unit and do short question answers on your notebook. See you soon with great health. Allah Hafiz.